Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll down in order to find the section App Management. Let's tap on it and then tap on App List. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it and then tap on Reset App Preferences. So here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.